Hello everyone. In this part 2 of applications of derivatives, I'll explain you few questions related to tangents and normals. So let's start with this question number 1. In this question number 1, we have to find the slope of the tangent to the curve x is equals to t square plus 3t minus 8 and y is equals to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2 minus 1. So first of all, dx by dt means 2t plus 3, then dy by dt means 4t minus 2. Now slope of tangent is equals to dy by dx at, what is this, the point 2 and minus 1. Now according to the chain rule, what this become 4t minus 2 upon 2t plus 3, and this is at 2 minus 1. Now this is the point for x and y, but we want at t only. So at 2 minus 1, but we will calculate x. When x is equals to 2, this become t square plus 3t minus 8. It means t square plus 3t minus 10 is equals to 0. It means t square plus 5t, and this is minus 2t minus 10 is equals to 0. T common, t plus 5, and minus 2 common, t plus 5 is equals to 0. T minus 2, t plus 5 is equals to 0. It means t is equals to 2 and t is equals to minus 5. Now this is 2t square minus 2t minus 5 is equals to minus 1. It means 2t square minus 2t minus 4 is equals to 0. It means t square minus t minus 2 is equals to 0, because I am taking 2 common here. It means t square minus 2t plus t minus 2 is equals to 0. T common, t minus 2 plus 1 common, t minus 2 is equals to 0. T plus 1, t minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore t is equals to 2 and t is equals to minus 1. Therefore what we are observing, we have t is equals to 2 only. Therefore slope of tangent is equals to 4t minus 2, 2t plus 3 at t is equals to 2. And once we will do the calculation, it will come 6 upon 7. Now in question number 2, prove that the tangents to the curve at the points are at right angle. So first of all, let slope of tangents at 2, 0 and 3, 0 be m1 and m2 respectively. Now we have the equation of curve y is equals to x square minus 5x plus 67. It implies that dy by dx, what will come, 2x minus 5. Now first of all, m1 is equals to dy by dx at 2, 0. It means what this become, this is equals to 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 1. Now m2 is equals to dy by dx at what point, 3, 0. It means what this become, 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. Now because m1 m2 is equals to minus 1, therefore the tangents to this curve at the point 2, 0 and 3, 0 are at right angle. Because if two lines having the product is equals to minus 1, it means lines are perpendicular to each other. Now let's start with this question number 3. In this question number 3, find the points on the curve at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Let the point on the curve be x1, y1. Now you will say, because x1, y1 lies on equation 1, it means what this become, x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation number 2. Now differentiate with respect to x in equation 1. So once you will do the differentiation, it means what will come, 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 is equals to 0. It implies that dy by dx is equals to 2 minus 2x upon 2y. It means slope of tangent is equals to dy by dx at x1, y1. Now what this become, it means this is equals to a1 minus x1 upon y1. This is the slope of tangent. Now this tangent line is parallel to x-axis, and we know very well any line parallel to x-axis having the slope is 0. So according to the question, what we have 1 minus x1 upon y1 is equals to 0. It implies that 1 minus x1 is equals to 0. It means x1 is equals to 1. Now from equation 1 we have 1 plus y1 square minus 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. It means y1 square is equals to 4. It means y1 is equals to plus minus 2. Therefore, required points, what will be the required points? Required points will be 1, 2, and what is this thing? 1 minus 2. So this is the way to do this question. Now let's start with this question number 4. Now in this question number 4, find the points on the curve at which the tangent lines are parallel to the line. So first of all, let the point on the curve be x1, y1. Now because x1, y1 lies on equation 1. Once this is lies on equation 1, it means what this become? Y1 is equals to x1 cube minus 2x1 square minus x1. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. With respect to x. It means what this become? Dy by dx is equals to 3x square minus 4x minus 1. It means slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, how will we find out? Same rule. What is this? Dy by dx at x1, y1. It means what this become? This is 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 1. Now slope of line. What is the line? Line is y is equals to 3x minus 295. Now is according to y is equals to mx plus c. M is 3 only. So slope of this line is 3. Now according to the question, this tangent line is parallel to this line. It means 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 1 is equals to 3. It means 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 4 is equals to 0. 3 4 12. It means 3x1 square minus 6x1 plus 2x1 minus 4 is equals to 0. 3x1 common. What is this? x1 minus 2 plus 2 common. x1 minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x1 plus 2 and x1 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now there are two parts. If x1 minus 2 is equals to 0, it means x1 is equals to 2. It means from equation 1, what we will get? Y is equals to 8 minus, this become 4 2 ja 8 and this is minus 2. It means y1 is equals to, we have minus 2 only. Now if 3x1 plus 2 is equals to 0, it means x1 is equals to minus 2 by 3. It means from equation 1 y1 is equals to, this become minus 8 upon 27 and this is minus 2 into 4 upon 9 and this is minus minus plus 2 upon 3. So after calculation we will get y1 is equals to minus 14 upon 27. Therefore required points are, what will be the required points? Required points are 2 and minus 2 by 3 and minus 14 by 27. So this is the way to do this questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.